Do you feel like your business needs a boost? BizLinkConnect is the solution. We connect SMEs, startups, and corporations with inspiring events, sector-specific networking, specialized seminars, and growth hacking strategies. Are you a local company? We accompany you in your development with agile methodologies. Are you an international company? We offer expertise to be a strategic partner in Latin America. Are you an entrepreneur? We help you expand new business opportunities. Our growth plan, technological innovation. BizLinkConnect offers you virtual co-working, a digital space to work and collaborate with other professionals. Sector-specific networking, connect with companies and find new business opportunities. Specialized seminars, learn from experts and much more. Growth hacking, personalized strategies to achieve your growth objectives. Visit BizLinkConnect.com for more information. BizLink, connect, forging connections, transforming businesses.